GCET 2016 परीक्षेचो निकाल सोमारा जाहीर जालो। ह्या परीक्षेत भौतिकशास्त्र, रसायनशास्त्र, जीवशास्त्र आनी गणित सारकिल्या विशयांचो आस्पाव आशिल्लो। दीपक गोपालन हाका भौतिकशास्त्रांत 70 आनी रसायनशास्त्रांत 70 गुण फावो जाल्यात। जीवशास्त्रांत शौरी किरण रायकार हाका 71 गुण मेळ्ळ्यात, जाल्यार आदित्य राज कुंकळीकर हाका गणितांत 65 गुण फावो जाल्यात। GCET 2016च्या परीक्षेक फर्मागुडी गोंय अभियांत्रिकी महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर VN शेट अध्यक्ष आशिल्ले। परीक्षेची चाचणी आनी निकाल मुंबईच्या भारतीय तंत्रज्ञान संस्थेच्या सहकार्यान आयोजित केल्ली। निकाल चाचणेची मूल्यमापनाची प्रक्रिया उद्देश प्रतिसाद पत्रका मार्फत जाल्या। विद्यार्थ्यांनी व्यावसायिक पदवी अभ्यासक्रमा खातीर प्रवेश अर्ज B1 अर्ज भरून दिवचे। तांत्रिक शिक्षण संचालनालय पर्वरी आनी रवींद्र भवन मडगांव हांगसर मायाच्या 19 ते 27 तारीख मेरेन हे अर्ज स्वीकारतले। सकाळचे 10 ते 1 आनी दनपारचे 2 ते 5 मेरेन हे अर्ज स्वीकारप जातले, अशी माहिती GCETचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर VN शेट हांणी दिल्या।
So since 2005, GCET, that is Common Entrance Test for the Goa, was conducted under the Director of Technical Education. Basically for the admission to the following professional courses like medicine, dental, engineering, pharmacy, homeopathy, nursing and paramedical. This year admission to BAMS as well as in the Gomantak Ayurvedic Mahavidyalaya, Shiroda is also included in the GCET 2016. As you are aware, the GCET 2016 was conducted on 10th and 11th May across 16 centers. So this year 3 centers are more, additional 3 centers in Kampala, Kunkolim and Darbandura. So I have opportunity to work as a chairman of GCET almost last 4 to 5 years. So this year also I have been the chairman of GCET. So this year around 5,531 candidates registered to appear in GCET in 4 subjects, mainly physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. The test, after the test, all the answer booklet, which is ORS, was been processed electronically and the result has been tabulated. So various statistical highlights that 5 toppers in each subject is also will be providing. So result along with the answer key will be uploaded in the website of the Director of Technical Education, that is www.dtgoa.gov.in, and also in the notice board of the Director of Technical Education. Under this we also advise the students to fill the admission form, the form number B and B1 for admission to the professional degree courses. This form shall be accepted at the Director of Technical Education Parvari as well as Ravindra Bhavan at Margao from 19th May to 27th May, except Sunday, that is on 22nd May. The timings are 10 AM to 1 AM, 10 AM to 1 PM and 2 PM to 5 PM. Students are also requested to submit the self-attested copies of the all essential documents together with the admission forms.
आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकर।